Welcome to the channel, Trader Jan speaking. We have Wednesday the 8th of April 2026. This video is about the review of the trading day of yesterday, the 7th of April 2026. And we're going to do, as usual, two things. One is reviewing the locations, which we defined yesterday, and second, reviewing the concrete trades. Now we see the market is already going on. We have now around a quarter past 11 Chicago time in the evening. This one is Chicago time, and the market spiked up. If you see here on the hourly chart, the market spiked up here from the opening 2,800 ticks already. But that's not our concern for now. We are focusing on the review. So this one is our 15 minutes chart. So the green bar here, that one is the time when when I did the analysis yesterday. So we shouldn't be too proud of at least these ones here, because they were known already, those two locations. However, after that, the market tested that area again, finally broke through, went straight to the next area. Now, in the analysis the day before, I said, okay, this is a high volume area here from the previous day. And I expected a bit more activities here, but the market went straight through, did a fake out and went back. And then went back to that location, back to this location, back to that here. So I didn't really care about my intermediates location here. Later on it did, and then back here got rejected a lot. Probably some selling going on, see at the long wicks here, and then going back here, and then this morning or during the night already, or it's past 3 o'clock here in between, and then going up like a rocket. Now, in terms of locations, so that is not unsatisfactory. Coming to the concrete trades, we see here trading is going on. Okay, but that's not of our concern. We are now here. I marked those areas already where I did some trades. Coming to the overall results of the trading first. Where are my stats here? That is the export from the account statistics indicator, which actually, if I go back to that window here, that is regularly exporting the trading data. Specifically after a closure of a trade, it directly exports that data into an Excel, into a separate CSV file. So that is the result here. Results of the 7th of April in terms of ticks. We had a plus of 348 ticks in 18 trades. And yeah, that's good for the day. We had 3 negative trades, 3 losing trades, and all the other ones are either break even or take profits. Coming back to the chart and marked, I like to do those reviews because that's where I learn most. And one of the biggest learnings of the day is actually my very first day, first trade. I fell back into my pattern of trying to solve a problem. I stepped away from my stop loss. I opened the trade here short. I'm not sure why exactly I did open and short, because short-term price action was against me. And then the market, that one was a short entry, market went against me. And I actually moved my stop loss somewhere up here, 1,000 ticks something, and ridiculous. At that point, I risked 50% of my account size by that trade. I did a DCA kind of thing and put two more other contracts on the way up into that trade. Ridiculous. So it's good thing is that that kind of thing happened often in the past to me. That's during trading. I try to solve problem in the sense of I have a trade running against me. I change the stop loss and then I try to make it a profitable trade. That habits already went down, so I never had it like since the last 2-3 weeks. So that's already good news. But that one definitely needs to go away on my path to being a profitable trader. Now, there was like a range building. See here at the top here. Um, Looking at the different trades, that one was a short here, was a good. I could have waited until the end of that area where my location is. This one as well, a short one, not that ideal, but at least um, it was in a plus for 15 ticks. Here, even though I saw it like the short-term price action was long, but then after this candle here, which went against I interpreted that one as a change of trend, a change of price action, and then I went in. Unfortunately, I didn't stay in that trade. I could have stayed much longer. Like here, the potential would have been about 500 ticks. And after realizing my mistake, I went to that next location here, which was great, I think. Here, I went in again at the end of the location, not so good idea. And then here I went in again. So I did quite a couple of trades, one after the other, maybe not too good. But here the short to the location, and then I came back to the deviation of the VWAP, and then another short again. Here, this one, I'm pretty proud about that one. That one had rejection from my location. I entered here, and then I finished here at my location. So that's the kind of trade I like, working according to the plan. I don't like that one that much. It was more by hope. The entry was good, so I ended where the trade was um, supposed to be like as a rejection of that area here, and then it went to my location. I could have gone out here at 125 ticks, but the principle of hope and especially the learnings from the day before, from the day that I could have let them run longer, and it went longer, but then suddenly it went against me. And latest here, at that upward movement here, that one happens within 2 seconds. Once this fast movement happens, I should have gone out, because that is definitely a sign against me. And here, looking at the price action, it went already up here, and then latest here I should have gone out, which would have been 65 ticks. Anyhow, overall, happy with the result of the trading day, with as mentioned, 348 ticks in the plus in 18 trades. Too many trades, but good result. Major learnings of the day. Good that I traded into the market direction, so mainly short, just too long, and then 16 short. And sometimes active management is better than fill or kill, meaning putting the stop loss into an area where my setup doesn't apply anymore. So that's it for this video, daily review of the last trading day. And have a good one and see you on the trading floor.